Hello friends, this video on acids, bases and salts part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So that's the question which is running in everybody's mind. How do we distinguish the acidic and basic substances? Now, tasting the substances is not the right choice, because we will never know that, let's say, some unknown substance, some new substance. So we are not very sure about the composition of that substance. We are not very sure how will consuming that substance impact our body. But we want to know whether that substance is acidic or basic in nature. So if you think tasting that substance is an option, so that can be risky as well, because maybe that the substance is extremely poisonous for your body. So it is going to cause you harm. So therefore, it is always not advised to taste any unknown substance, because you do not know the composition of that substance. So the substance might contain a lot of harmful things which might spoil your body. So now we are going to find out other ways, alternatives, which will help us to distinguish between an acidic substance and a basic substance. And that is where we talk about indicators. So what are indicators? So these are substances which indicate whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. So actually these are nothing but these are normal substances, but these substances react with acids and react with bases in different ways. So looking at the way they react with that particular substance, we can actually say which one is an acid and which one is a base. So that is the simple logic behind the working of indicators. Now, how do these indicators show us the change? How do these indicators behave when they come in contact with an acidic substance or a basic substance? Now, basically these indicators, they change their color when added to a specific substance, whether it is acidic or basic. Now, the color to which they change, so that color indicates the nature of the substance. Now, some of the naturally occurring indicators, like which already exist in nature, but they have this special property that they can act as indicators. Some such examples are the China rose, which is also known as hibiscus or a gurhal. So this China rose acts as an excellent indicator. Again, turmeric, which you will often find it in your kitchen because it is used for cooking a lot of stuffs. The litmus test. So litmus is a kind of dye which is obtained from the lichens. You remember lichens? We discussed in our previous lesson. So lichen is mostly seen on the bark of trees, and lichen is an association, symbiotic association between algae and fungi. So from those lichens, this dye is obtained, and this dye is called litmus. So from that litmus, we obtain litmus paper, and this litmus paper also show a change of color when it comes in contact with an acidic or a basic substance. So these are some examples of naturally occurring indicators. Other than these, there are many chemical compounds which act as indicators. One such example is the phenolphthalein. So this is a colorless chemical compound which can act as indicator. Now, which is that property which has to be present in a substance so that it can behave like an indicator? So the only property that we are looking at is the substance should be able to change its color when it comes in contact with an acidic or a basic substance, and the change in color for an acidic substance should be different than the change in color in case of a basic substance. For example, if when it comes in contact with an acid, if that substance becomes red in color, in that case when it comes in contact with a base, it should change into some other color other than red. So only then we will be able to understand whether the substance under test is acidic or basic. So that is the only property we are looking at when we want to find indicators. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.